Hello, my name is Rose and this is Easy to Cook at Home. Today I'm going to be peeling and cutting a pineapple. This is episode 2 of Quick Tip Tuesday. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so this is super easy. I bought one without the floury bit on the top. If you have that, you just pull it off. And then we're going to cut the bottom or the top. And then again on the other end. Around like this. This is really easy. You want to get as close to the flesh as possible. That way you're getting as much pineapple as possible. Nice sweet pineapple. Now you're going to get these natural little divots here. If you do it on an angle, just have a look at it and see which is the best angle to do it on. You see these here, and this long angle here. So if you just go down, don't cut too far into it. And then you can just lift them out, like so. See? Just put the natural line where they are. Just go in. Just lift them out. That way you get as much pineapple as you possibly can. And that way you get lots of pineapple. Good to go, and then we cut down the middle and cut like that again, and then you just cut out the core. That's the woody bit. Just do that on all 4 pieces. There we go, and just chop it into chunks. That was super easy. Well, I do hope you enjoyed that video. Please leave me a comment below. Subscribe, like, share, all those lovely things. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye for now. See you soon.